Right now we are camping in the most beautiful Tanti guest house located in Tiger Hill area of Coonoor, close to Ooty. Large extent of area is covered by tea gardens. Today is light, foggy but bright sunshine. Courtesy Tamil Nadu Forest Department. We are going to camp here tonight. Tomorrow we'll move to Mundumalai Tiger Reserve. The most pleasant stay I could ever imagine in Tamil Nadu is this rest house. In this vehicle provided by Venkatesh. I am ready from Coonoor, Tamil Nadu, India. Big Araucaria here, large, big Araucaria. All these are silver oak trees surrounding an excellent location.